Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you send the gift for stream on your Twitch app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Twitch app. So all you have to do is to just choose here any stream you want to send a gift, like this stream for example. Here just click, then it's going to take us here inside uh of this stream here, and you just click here on this gifts here. So when you click, it's going to take you here, and you click here on gift subscription here, and it's going to show for you like this. And here you will, so here send a gift like this. So just click here, and it's going to show for your card and add your information card, and it's going to send that gift you want to send on your Twitch app. And here are a lot of gifts can you choose to send it for this streamer here. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.